Your energy is expensive. You are of high class. You are of high caliber. Not any and everyone deserves access to your energy. Your energy radiates regalness, and I feel like in a past life you belong to royalty and you still contain the same powerful essence to this day. I also feel like you have inherited traits from your father and your father's side. And I feel like you are very rich in spirit. Your essence is of magic. You have this ethereal, otherworldly like quality about you. People can get lost in you, and people do tend to get obsessed with you. You have a lot of sacred knowledge that people want to gain and want to access. There's something different about you. Now, I know we're all different, but there's something distinct about you. You may get a lot of people staring at you. You may get a lot of people wanting to always be around you. You may get a lot of people always wanting to date you. Addicted to your energy. You have a very warm, comforting, and home-like energy where people feel as though they can relax. People feel like they can just open up to you. People feel as though they met you in a past life. You know, like you are a past life family member, you are a past life partner, friend, whatever the case is. You are relatable to a lot of different people and you're being your authentic self. A lot of people may have slept on you in the past because they didn't want to believe about who you really are. And you're okay with being on your own. That's the beauty of you, because you know that even when you are alone, you're not lonely. The way you take care of yourself, the way you take care of others is admirable. The way you love on yourself, the way you look good, the way you smell good, the way you respect yourself is highly admirable. You shine so brightly. You have a bubbly, warm, positive, high vibrational energy that just attracts people like moths to a flame. Whenever you're not around, it's like clouds because your energy uplifts. You are very stable. And a lot of people lean on you for your strength and support. People may have overlooked you in the past, but those same people want to come back in and choose you in the now. But the thing is, you don't want to be chosen. You're not a pick me because you know who you are. You know what you bring to the table and you're not afraid to eat alone. A lot of people are fixated on you, what you're going to do next, who you're dating, where do you work, how do you make your money, etc., etc. Because there's a lot of interest when it comes to you. A lot of people want to date you as well. And you may have turned a lot of people down, you know, even people from the past, because you're realizing your true power. You're realizing that you deserve the best. And a lot of people do want to date you because they feel like, for instance, if they date someone like you, it will boost their profile. If they date someone like you could be their match. And that's not a bad thing, right? But if they date someone like you, then the love that you possess will be bestowed upon them. So you get a lot of people with different reasons that want to date you. But mainly for some of you, you get people that want to date you because they feel like if they align with you, they could be seen as a power couple. But you do get individuals who want to date you because they love just as hard as you. you have that energy about you whereby your love doesn't come for free. So people can't buy you, people can't buy your love. And you may be okay with being single. Some of you have come out of a tumultuous relationship and you're not looking for love right now. But in this lifetime, you will find love, because your essence is one that deserves to connect with someone else that has the same vibration, that loves as deeply as you do. And you will meet that person in this life. This person may come from a different background than yourself. This person may have different beliefs. There's going to be something different about this individual that you're eventually going to connect with. Some of you are with this person in the now, and they are your divine counterpart. And I feel like you had to go through many trials and tribulations to connect with this person. And again, you have that ability to help others to transform. And because you transform quite regularly, people are in awe of you. People want to get around you. People can become so obsessed with you to the point where, unfortunately, it may scare you. So I feel like a lot of people are in love with you in the now. Or when people do encounter you and they get to know you, they become very, very fixated and obsessed with your energy, because your energy is extremely potent. Your energy has the ability to make people go through transformations that they didn't know that they needed to go through. You trigger a lot of people, and you can trigger the dark side in people as well. Okay? And I feel like people tend to go to the dark side in order to get close to you, whether that means they try and block other people from coming near you. They try to be the only focus of your life. They may try and always be around you. They try and be a partner to you without you even accepting them being a partner to you, if that makes sense. And this could be quite scary sometimes. And that's why you have to have boundaries, because you do give everyone a chance in regards to, you treat everyone fairly, but sometimes you may feel like everyone is just your friend. But some people do have hidden agendas. Some people see the heart of you and they manipulate that to their benefit. And what they can try and do, because of their obsession for you, is that they can act as if and project outwardly onto other people that you are taken, especially if you're single, and that they are the chosen one. They are your partner. And if they feel like other people are going to get an opportunity to be your friend or to be a romantic partner, they will stoop to underhanded means to make sure people stay well away from you. And these are the types of people that you have to be mindful of in regards to inviting them into your life, because there is an ulterior motive. There is. And these individuals may believe that they are wanting the best for you, that they are in love with you, but love liberates. I heard that saying from one of my favorite tarot readers, Jess Puckett. Love liberates, it doesn't restrict. So to love someone, how these people claim that they love you, you will allow that person room to breathe. You wouldn't try to control, because you may get a lot of people trying to control and dictate you because of their quote unquote love for you. It's because of their unhealthy obsession with you. You have a very powerful energy that not everyone deserves access to. You are a leader. You are very magnetic. People get blindsided whenever you are around. Whenever you walk down the street, whenever you go any place, to a party, wherever you go, people are staring at you. You have star quality. People can get beside themselves to the point where they act chaotic. You may have caused many fights between people. Spiritual bullying, whereby people want to get to you, and if they see someone else is trying to get to know you, they will try and send out a spiritual attack or try and bully or harass someone else. You have that ability to create that.